Oh my god, man, what's up, what's good, members of the jury? As y'all can see in live HD, it shows with the most Paul Cantu. It is a sunny ass day. I'm having PTSD because the last time I was out here, my bitch ass left my keys in my car and I locked them in there. But it's a Sunday, the first Sunday of the month, so I'm going to the hip hop vintage flea market in Houston, Texas. All right, just in case it was windy, I'm gonna reiterate my point. I got like 700 bucks in cash or something like that, maybe like 800, but I'm finna see what vintage shit I can get for that much out here. It's loud, there's music. Fuck it, we gon' do it. Let's get it.
Being wrecking boys, having haters growing up. Being wrecking boys, having haters growing up. Being wrecking boys, having haters growing up. I got to get paid. Being wrecking boys, having haters growing up. Being wrecking boys, having haters growing up. Being wrecking boys, having haters growing up. I got to get paid.
Okay, vintage throwback Texas. That's the first booth I'm at. It's like right here. But yeah, this is a fire ass piece. This little like surf style Oakley collab. 20 bucks, man. I'm gonna go ahead and most likely grab this thing and then see what else they got. All right, baby, so we did damage at the first table. Everything I got laid out. Got the little soccer tee right there. A Man U Nike jersey. Got this little Disney thing. I hate a what especially. I hate a Goofy especially.
I hate a Goofy especially.
Got the Tommy for your mommy button up. Very crispy. Chicago Blackhawks, you already know. And the Florida State Seminole Fluid. Shout out the homies, man. I appreciate you, my brother. You already know what time it is, daddy. So yeah, first booth of the day, of many more to come. It's about that time. Oh man, look who it is, that boy Rob. Hey, homie just opened a motherfucking store in the city.
Yeah, man. It's not just me, it's a collaborative effort between me and Space City. Literally a block over from hip hop. Just check it out. 2019 Clay Street, man.
Bounce back, Houston, baby, bounce back. All right, man, so I get this for the shout out, right?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay,
It's a kiss. It's a kiss. It's a kiss.
Oh.
Just a kiss on your lips in the moonlight.
But yeah, man, shout out to homie Rob and Andrew. Always great seeing these young entrepreneurs out here doing their thing. I think I'm gonna have to bless his wallet and money bag with a $15 piece for the Taz little back off tee. That shit is immaculate, baby, immaculate. Had to grab another one from the homie, you already know. You got Mickey just diving. It looks like he's hitting a jig on the cool. Got our little balls around him.
Kiss.
That's beautiful, dude. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you, dog.
Thank you.
When I ride through the city, haters small fly. When I ride through the city, haters small fly. When I ride through the city, haters small fly. When I ride through the city, haters small fly.
All right, we pulled up our 24K vintage. There are 3 items that I'm really gravitating towards right now. You got the Air Jesus tee, always bestowing worldwide blessings. That shirt is hilarious. The Florida State Seminole Fluid jacket right here. That is beautiful with the jewelry, of course. This piece I definitely want. It's a weird like smiley face plaid jersey. It's just crazy looking, so obviously I gotta get that flamboyant shit. And then there is this Jeff Gordon jacket that is incredulous. It's beautiful and all embroidered. I might have to. All right, man, we've transitioned to Mr. Vintage is cool, David is cool himself. Bro, look at these pieces this man got. He got the crazy Mickey piece, and this Taz piece is absolutely fucking nuts, dude. It got Tweety all up on it, all the characters or anything on the back. That shit is just gorgeous. $30 a piece, you know what I'm saying? A little bit out of my broke ass price range, but I gotta show y'all that David really got the heat. And look at that shit, bro. That's like a full fit.
No way.
Shit. All right, man. Shout out David, hooking it up with the Mickey jersey as per usual. Just look at this guy. Everyone go follow this guy on Instagram, man. Just look at this guy, dude. All right, guys, man, the day has proceeded. It's really hot. My camera's overheating, but I had to come and show love to my cousin at Courtside Vintage. You already know what time it is, baby. So I pulled up and grabbed 2 Polo Ralph Lauren pieces, size small, heavily embroidered, $10 a piece. Not bad. Steals and deals always, baby. You already know what time it is, children. Yes, sir. And this dude like stays dripping as well.
Drippin'!
And not just sweat, but clothing items. We're all dripping in sweat out here, let's be honest. But yeah, man, thus far I found a good amount of stuff. Been trying to get a little bit of footage and trying to stay cool because, goddamn, it's hotter than the devil's dick out here. 100.
We got some bills. We got the Dosecki, representing for my Hispanics on the south side of Tay House in H-Town, baby. What's going down?
All right, man, cruising down Buyer's Alley, or I guess Seller's Alley, trying to see what else I can get. My shoulder already is leaning a little bit, got a lot of that weight on me, but hey, that's the way it should be out here. Woo. So just grab two more quick little pics. Grab two more quick little pics from Union 45. You know what time it is? Got the pink Lacoste. It did not Lacoste a lot, which is a beautiful thing. Got the little kangaroo pocket for narcotics, and then you got the crazy 90s print on this tee, which I definitely need. Appreciate you, bro. Hey, man, over here with Chaz from Broke Boys Vintage. You already know what time it is, man. Hey, he blessed me with this shirt. Hey, hold that thing up. But yeah, I had to grab this guy. He's flamboyant as fuck and gorgeous. Ah, hey, ladies, get at him, you dig? Hey, appreciate you, brother. You're
Always, bro.
all right, man, so we out of there. I got 2 duffel bags full of stuff, essentially. Some stuff for myself, some stuff for you guys. But it was a good time. It actually is really hot out here today. You guys know how it is in Houston. But anyways, I guess we'll jump back in the crib and I'll show y'all a little bit of the loot. Give me the loot. Let's get it. All right, and we back, baby. So we back from the thrifting adventure at the Hip Hop Vintage Flea Market. And if you guys would like to attend, again, it's the first Sunday of every month. It always is a good time, and I love seeing my homies out there. But basically what I'm gonna do right now is show you guys everything that I didn't show off in this video. And to all the vendors who I didn't catch video clips of, I'm sorry. It was either 1, because my camera was overheating, or 2, because my bitch ass was being a really bad YouTuber, so I apologize. But as some bonus finds, when I was leaving, I found these very cool little black and white Nike Blazers. Salt and pepper dynamic going on these guys right here. I love rocking Blazers. They are amazing and an immaculate looking silhouette to have on feet. Now I also did get some NASCAR heat, man. I got this glorious and delicious M&M's racing tee right here. It is double-sided, so I'm obviously excited. Also, if you guys would like, some of this gear will be for sale on my vintage website, but a lot of shit that I thrift is going to be dropping this weekend, so stay tuned for that drop as well. Also from the homie Jam Stop, I got this amazing Umbro get your hella horse little vintage windbreaker right here. It is blue and green. It's clean. I love it. This was a real nice piece that I got. It is a troll tee with like the cotton candy hair. This thing is absolutely amazing. It says Totally Awesome Las Vegas on it. I love trolls. And I cannot wait to rock this in the summer because it got those pastel colors on the hair weave. I also did grab this shirt from the homie Jam Stop as well. It is this Tweety Get a Grip tee right there. Tweety is just such a spunky animated little creature. Let's keep it a buck. What just fell out of my lap is this glorious Marlboro Adventure Team windbreaker right here. Black and red colorway with the mustard pull tab on the zipper. Another NASCAR tee that I got is this Peanuts Jeff Gordon collabo. So that is absolutely out of this world. Fast car, NASCAR, race, something. Yeah, it's just a dope looking piece, double-sided, and it got the whole gang on the bottom. Then my homie Chaz, my homie Chaz from Broke Boys Vintage, hooked it up with this I don't dial 911, I'm a shooter. Little self-defense Glock 9mm tee. This thing is crazy, man. It does look like homie dip dyed his fingers in some mustard, little sausages. But yeah, very Texan shirt, if I say so myself. And then last and certainly not least, I did get two glorious vintage Nike pullovers. Navy blue with a big old black. I done got me a check. I got a check, y'all. Check. So if you guys enjoyed this video, again, show some love, like, comment, and subscribe. Shout out everybody who came up to me at hip hop and show love. I appreciate you guys. Also, shout out
everyone commenting on my last video. I got a lot of love on that thing. And yeah, it was a little painting video. A lot of you guys didn't see it, so if you haven't seen it, the fuck you doing? Go watch that shit. And if you don't want to watch that shit, then at least leave a comment on this shit. You dig? Anyways, love you guys. Peace and love. Live the dream, eat that ice cream. I am locked and loaded. I'll catch you guys next time, and I'm out. Boom.
Killing these songs, leaving them bloody like by rooster. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get